Now that I have my cut marks made going horizontally across the block of wood, the next thing we'll need to do is trace the design to the other side of your project. If I take my design and I use this carbon paper, I have a light side and a dark side of the carbon paper. We want the dark side of the carbon paper facing down toward the block of wood with your design resting right on top of it. Now, very carefully, what I need to do is make sure when I trace my design, these are the cut lines. This is the direction the project is going to spin. I'm going to slowly rotate it over with my cut lines going horizontal. Rotate your block of wood straight over, and we're going to trace the design on to the block of wood. Again, make sure you have your circle on both sides. We're going to trace this onto the block of wood by laying the carbon paper and design over the top of the front of the block of wood, and with your pencil you're just going to go over and retrace all your lines, everything, even the stuff you're going to be carving off of your design. It transfers through the carbon paper onto the block of wood. Now, as I mentioned earlier, tracing your design, the design must be parallel to your cut lines. So we remember that we're going to be cutting the project horizontally. We want to make sure the cut lines are going parallel to the design. So be careful that when you're tracing, that you slowly rotate the block of wood so that the horizontal lines are staying horizontal before you trace your design onto the front.